Most sharpeners wear out too quickly. Some can't restore real sharpness, and chipped edges, often left behind.
Honey, can you help me?
Come on! We set out to fix all of it, with a sharpener built for real results. Fit sinks from 385 to 552. Switch from 8-ner to 25-der in seconds. 4-axis dual-rail system for consistent sharpening. And quick tip repair when precision matters. The extendable stand fits any sink. Lock it in place and rinse as you sharpen. Clean, easy, and mess-free. Every sharpen brings your knife back to razor sharp. Choose from 3 edge levels, just the way you like it. Flip sides in 1 second. For a perfect, even edge on knives and scissors. Built to sharpen over 1,000 knives. Fast setup, secure locking. With a digital angle finder, you get real-time precision. For every kitchen knife, every grind, every time. Whether you're cooking at home or working in a pro kitchen, our diamond sharpener brings razor sharpness in just 2 minutes. Ready to slice clean, cut smooth, and serve flavor. Say goodbye to weak edges and short-lived tools. Sharpen once, enjoy every cut.